This video looks at strategies to develop core muscle strength. This is one video in a large playlist, so please click through to see what strategies appeal to your child. Now, if you are working on core muscle strength, one really fun activity is wheelbarrow walking. This is a great activity because you're providing some stabilization of your child because you're holding up their legs, of course, and then they are using their hands to walk forward. So wheelbarrow walking can be really fun. You can add it into games like relay races, you can add it into obstacle courses, or you can just make it part of a fun home transition going from area A to B within the house. So consider wheelbarrow walking as an activity that you might want to try and add in. Remember, strength routines work the best when there is high frequency. So doing strength types of activities daily or every other day is important. So again, consider wheelbarrow walking. It's a lot of fun, especially if you have a child that you can easily stabilize in terms of lifting those legs.